Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. Happy 2021. I really haven't addressed that yet, but I haven't been able to make any videos for you guys. Basically, I've been in quarantine because I actually did get COVID last Sunday, so Tuesday's my release day. Looking forward to it. Today's Monday, and probably have this video out today. Probably have nothing else going on, so. But anyway, yeah, so because I've been in quarantine, I've been subject to watch a lot of YouTube, and I found a lot of cool content, a lot of stuff to talk about, and this particular videos, I don't recommend doing at home, and I probably say that a lot in my videos, but this definitely specifically. I came across this GTI Review, and it's on a facelift 2018 model, and I don't think it's modified. It has a lot of stickers, but I don't believe it has any mods on it. It might be tuned, but stock catback. And basically this review is kind of how to not drive a GTI, especially when they get obviously to the sound and acceleration clips. And I think the review is fine. I think the guy who did the review knew a lot about the car. He claims that the owner was telling him to drive it the way he was driving it. So we'll get right to it so you guys can kind of see exactly what I'm talking about. It's certainly something to see, and yeah, we'll just jump right into it. Alright, so we'll jump to 739 in the video, kind of where they start doing revs, and that's where you'll get a good idea as to what the rest of the video is probably going to be like, because they rev the piss out of it. Sounds good, I'm not gonna lie. For stock catback, not too bad. Might have a resonator delete, but I'm pretty sure it's stock. And now we get to the driving. And you can tell already he's flicking the paddles, downshifting and upshifting to force the DSG fart. As you can kind of see too, right here, he's trying to engage launch control, and either it's not warm or the traction control is still enabled. It sounds funny, I'm not gonna lie, but it's so bad. You can see him flicking the paddles too, yeah. So there's a couple things wrong with that. He's flicking the paddles, obviously, and like really damaging the DSG, and also driving into a crowd of people. Man. You gotta be kidding me. There he is revving it. Poor GTI. Hopefully it gets its oil changes at least. So yeah, so that was that. Of course we're gonna have to read the comments because you guys know, those are probably gonna be really funny. But anyway, yeah, so that was that. Pretty rough to watch, but yeah. So yeah, well, again, the review was fine. I think the guy did a fine job. I don't recommend going out to like dislike his video. I liked it. But like, he's a creator. Don't give him any fuss. It's the owner, he probably didn't know any better. All right, so first comment: you'll bust the DSG box doing that. As noted, yes, you will. One of the reasons to not buy a secondhand GTI. Yeah, all my cars are secondhand. Funny enough, so. But I suppose I've been lucky. I always buy low mileage, so that's the way to do it. Do more reviews of the GTIs and you will get more views. Ah, yes, that is true. GTI videos always do great, and I can say that from making GTI videos. I've noticed a difference between GTI videos and R videos. Fortunately, same platform, same everything. Not everything, but like same most things. And a lot of you guys who love the GTI like the R, so that's good. Thanks for the vid. I'll think twice about buying secondhand now. Yeah. Yeah, aside from that, that's pretty much, those are all the juicy comments, but yeah, basically don't drive your GTI like that. And you guys probably already know that. It's so bad for the DSG. It's never really crossed my mind to even consider that, so I guess he gets points for creativity, whoever owns his car. But at the same time, don't do it. It's really bad for your DSG. But yeah, I'm so excited to start going outside and doing some things. So yeah, awesome. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and showing the channel some love. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.